the next lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Marcia. Now, Marcia is saying that, if she really wanted to, there is help that she could have gotten. She's saying that there's help for everyone in the US, and that if people want to go to their family, the government will pay for it. Pay for a ticket, pay for your gas, pay for, you know, any little thing that you would ask them for. They would give you an assistance in that. She's also saying that it seemed like people prefer to hear about negative stuff, and that's why they tend to go to different pages to listen and not to join in with her to listen what she has to say, but they would join in to negative stuff to listen to the negatives. And she's saying that sometimes the people are listening to, they're repeating the same thing over and over every single day. And basically, she's coming with new stuff, new material every day. So, guys, go and catch a video, listen to what Marcia has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's really important for you to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that when I post, you're aware of it. And have yourselves a beautiful day.
Uno must like the page, man. Follow the page. Like and follow the page. Me know what me I do, Believe me, me know what me I do. Me a no idiot. Because I do have to share nothing. You don't think say coming out here and book myself in a hotel for whatever time it is for the winter or whatever it is. You don't think say me know say I was going to get put down. But at the end of the day, me not a thing no wrong. Me alright. Me nice and easy like a Sunday morning. So if me no want, cause me coulda jump in my vehicle. Me coulda jump in my vehicle and go about my business. The same the same United City that when you want a one-shot deal, you can go to them and them can send you anywhere. If you go to them and you tell them, say, listen, I don't have any money to go to my family. You want to travel, they're going to give you money to travel and plane ticket to go to your family. You didn't even know that. They're going to give you gas money. If I want, I can call 211 and say, listen, I don't have an apartment yet or whatever. I want to go to my family and I want a plane ticket to fly. They're going to give it to you. If you want gas money, they're going to give it to you. There's a lot of benefit out there that you can get if you want to go to your family. If you want, so it's not like say me couldn't take up myself and like, okay, do this for me and do this for me. But no, me try to make it on my own. Uno must be inspired. And when time the people them come in a social media and a show on a pure darkness, them not showing nothing. At them the people there, uno rally. When you look on them page, 400, 500, 600 people log on. And the same thing them a talk about every day. It's same thing. That's mean so I don't want to hear negative things about me then. That means so no want to hear failures, but you don't want to hear people talking about this and that and whatever then. Because I will if I want to outer sound like me, how the page can reach 10,000? How it can reach 10,000 likes? Invite a friend. Tell a friend to come up and follow the page. Or you can reach 10,000 followers. Then all the rest of people, all the blogging page the way I talk about me. How is it that the blogging page the way I talk about me, all them can reach 10,000 and 20,000 and 30,000 and 40,000. All them can reach that. If you take the same content where you just don't watch and you go over there go hear them and discuss me. So you know me I can start do then? Well, me I can start stop the live then and go in on my video them and cut them up and dash them on the page. Because that is the only way me benefit. Me do. Uno have to do bet not even like a star no one give me. Are the same people I give star at all times. So me not understand how is it that uno can enemy can take my videos, carry upon them page, go stream it all day and all night, and I make money off of it. Give me Cash App, give me Zelle, give me Star. I wanna give them. I wanna come over here, come watch it before. I wanna still go back. Something wrong with you know? Uno come over the horse's house. Uno come come over right then the house, and uno still go support a negative page who say them a discuss me. That means I no want bad things happen to me. You know, this morning when I woke up this morning and before I came on Facebook and I was just thinking, the amount of things where them talk about me out here. Me fi blind, me fi dead, me fi this. Me never hear when I put them as something upon 99 and none of the bloggers them out here. Except certain way. Me never hear when I get up every day and tell 99 to go have heart attack. Me no remember any of the people when I like her. I will talk about her. Me never hear nobody tell her to go have heart attack. And she big too. Me never know such a small. She near enough too. Then me never hear me never hear none of my members only or anybody any other platform per social media. I tell her, me I put she in the equator because I'm me. Uno said jealous her and bad mind, so me I put her because she had the relevant one out here, just like me. Me never hear nobody a come on. Me never hear them all. Me never hear nobody, none of my members only, as I tell her if you go dead. Me never hear none of my members only I tell her say if you go blind. Me never hear none of my members only or any other platform that I have been watching from she been on Facebook. I tell her say she so have heart attack and she so have stroke. Me never say that. Me never hear that yet. So you think so because somebody talking them have heart attack or stroke or because of the unhealthy food that them am? How them treat them body? We have sense and we have common sense. And I'm just saying. But you told her you wish the plane crash and earthquake split her house. Oh, then you hear me tell you say, you hear me compare dirty drunker, pussy old Denny's or wherever it is. You hear me come up and tell me say you hear me come up here and tell her I'm on my page ever and say plane and crash and kill her. You hear me tell her that? Eh? I said earthquake could have do our house. You ever hear me wish death pan that woman yet? Take your blood clot off of my page. Eh? You ever hear me come up here? You can show me any video. You can show me any video. You can show me any rotted video of me ever say that? You's a damn liar. You is a damn liar. You don't hear me talk about no wish for no plane and nothing for crash and nothing with her. Like that. That's not all the statement. I'm not going to go over it. So if you want anything that you want to talk as your business, use a damn like come from page. That's what you need to do. Come off from a freaking page. That's what you need to do. You know, welcome over here. Every morning you come over, every day you come over here. You shouldn't block yourself. You know, welcome over here. Me can't tell you saying so welcome over here, so. Use a little narcissistic shithouse. That's what it is. I follow back on me. You are not welcome under my page. Because uno come on people page and uno pretend. Uno are the one who come up here and pretend like say uno with her. And uno are the one who is not with her. We all know that. So I am saying to my people, uno must help to share the page. Give stars. And the same thing that the wicked people out there collect star, uno can give it to. Because I notice say, if me notice me the breadwinner for them out here. Big breadwinner for them out here. I go start share peer whole videos. Peer all videos. Uno must members only. Uno subscribe to my channel. $4.99. Uno want to see different things. My community I can give you good giving us some things. And that no video subscribe to my page. Them things say them slick out here. Me have whole heap of contents. I don't have to come on social media and make no video. None whatsoever. I don't have to come on social media and make no video. Every day you come on my page. You know, welcome over here. You are not welcome under my page. Me not ask you. Whatever your name is, you are not welcome under my page. Me I tell you that straight up. Don't come over here. You're not welcome. None at all. Under my page. Me don't understand how you don't have no shame. When somebody said they don't want you over here. We don't want you over here. That's all you can do every day. Come on the page and write up fuckery. You understand? And that type of writing, me suspect. Me suspect. I one of them man follower. What we used to be over here all the time. I like that's what it is. You use a man. I use a damn Batman. That's what you is. That's what you is. Don't follow back on me. Go find something do. Go wash your dirty brief. And that you figure do. This is not a woman. This is a man. I like a pissing tail boy. I don't want no man in front of you. Jared Campbell. Go take it to somebody else. I don't want no man in front of you. Yeah, good morning. I don't want no man in front of you. Me not have the time for hypocrite. Your spirit is a provoking spirit. I mean, I ain't nothing with you. You understand? Me don't want no man in front of you. I don't have no time for provoking spirit. You understand? Me glad say me ain't a family. Me ain't have no blood. But it's only by adoption. So me glad. What kind of two man? Me ain't a hypocrite. If me say me don't want a man in front of you, me don't want no man in front of you. I don't use very provoking. And me not, you have a very provoking spirit. I not in it with you. You understand? Me not in it with you. And me not hypocrite. So me don't want no man in front of you. It's just simple as that. So always my members only doing this morning. That's how it is. I don't eat breakfast yet because I'm not hungry. So I'm drinking a cup of coffee. Remember to come and support cheap and clean business. You know, the sheets they're on sale. You know, welcome to the month of the Queen. Yes, you know how it rolls. You know how it rolls when you get to February. You know, I throw out all the memory pictures them from young to old. I saw me do it. So welcome to all the February girl. You know, when it catch to February, me kind of a little bit calm down. Me kind of going to be a little calmer. So me probably going to be a little calmer for February. Me always try to do a little something for February where me say, all right then, me not go cuss until after my birthday, but you never know. But I'm going to try to cut down the explosive for the month of February. Because you know the month of February, me always want a little peace. And, you know, last year, February also, I did the same thing. Where me say me not cuss until after my birthday. And I did it. You know, I did it. I didn't cuss until after my gala. I said, all right then, me not cuss until after my gala, after my birthday. I am going to do so and so. So hopefully this month will be a prosperous month for me. And let's see what happened. Let's see how the month progress and see what February have to offer me. Yes, you know, I'm going to be the getting up into the age. I will be 51 years old, fabulous and loving it. Yes, I won't be going anywhere exactly on my birthday, but I will be definitely going somewhere before the year end to celebrate my birthday. Because you know, Marcia, she celebrated her birthday. And when March, April come, I still celebrate the same way. So that is how it is. Because you know, it's a winter time. In my month, it is extremely expensive to travel. Me, you know, I never know say so much people travel in a winter. But winter time, it is Um, yes, Miss Marcia, please keep it calm. Don't look at negative comment. Yes, so February time is spring break and everything, in a February month. So, say me never February month, March is very expensive. Last year, going to Florida, a $900 me buy for plane ticket for go Florida from Bradley Airport. Me check say I was going to get a ticket for like $300 or $200. I was in a rude awakening when I decided to buy my ticket at the last minute. I should have bought my ticket like 4 months in advance or 5 months in advance. When I was ready to book that ticket to go on that damn cruise, some people pay over $1,000 to go on my cruise for plane tickets. And so me I let you know, if you don't have no birthday in any winter month, I want to plan to go nowhere. I am telling you now, people travel. And when I go on that cruise and see that cruise ship and see how 4,000 had people were on the cruise ship, and children and wife and everybody. So let me tell you something. If you think that people not take winter vacation, they make a sad mistake. And if you think that people not stay in a hotel in a winter, they make a sad mistake. Hotels are sold out. Places, I'm telling you, we travel in the winter time. The only deal you can get really to travel in the winter time is to go to European country, but not for Caribbean islands. You understand? If you're traveling out of the United States and going on European trip, you might get a good deal. But if you're going to Jamaica and those areas and different Caribbean, the plane ticket is very high, especially in the spring break time. You understand? When them have all in college party and them this and them whatever. So just make it clear, say what one decided to do. So, but I will be going somewhere for my birthday. I don't know where. I'm not keeping nothing big, nothing, just chill out, with few acquaintances of mine if they are available. If not, me go about my business myself. But I'm just saying that I have something for my birthday because me reach a point in my life right now. I
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.